Okay, so what we're looking at now is the 2-in-1 lightning USB cables. So inside the pack you get 4 cables. You've got a generic USB 2.0 input for your PC or your laptop, and then on the other end you've got a lightning connector on the end, and then underneath that you've got a micro USB connector. So the idea is that if you've got say for example a mobile phone that uses a micro USB port, and you've also got maybe an iPad, or maybe you've got an iPhone as well, or vice versa, you've got a tablet that uses a micro USB. In fact, you only have to carry one cable. So in theory it's a great idea. So let's put it to the test. So here I've got my power bank, and I'm going to see how well they work in theory. Okay, so here's an iPad mini. So let's see how well they work. So let's plug this one in. Tight fit. This one's not working. Give it a jiggle wiggle. Is that working? No. So as you can see, first cable doesn't work. Let's try a second cable. So that one's a duff. Okay, let's try again. Oh, a bit tight. Okay, so let's try this one. This is the second cable. This one's working. So this one actually works. So that works quite well. Okay, so say I've got an iPad, and I've also got a Kindle Fire tablet as well. Okay, so micro USB cable. Oh, how do I get it right around? Okay. Oh, is it going to work? Yes. So as you can see, yep. So this one charges as well. So let's just, for testing's sake, so it's 1 out of 2 so far that actually do work. Let's try number 3. Okay. Let's click. Actually, let's go this way around first. So does this one work? Yes, that one works. So hopefully this will be 2 out of 3 actually work. And this one, yep, that one works. Okay, so let's do the final cable. Okay, right, last cable. So hopefully it will be 3 out of 4. This one doesn't work either. Okay. Just test that. Okay, so that one charges. So that charges the iPad, but not the Kindle Fire. Let's try that one more time. No. Okay, so the micro USB cable isn't. So this one actually does work. So that one works. So 3 out of 4 cables actually do work. So disappointing in the fact that one of them doesn't work. So I paid for 4 and I've only got 3 that actually work. Not a massive problem because I'd only ever really need 2. But yeah, so fairly well made. A bit shiny and tacky, but it's got a braided cable as well. But it's a good idea. I like it. So this, now I only have to take 1 cable with me. Maybe when I go to work, or maybe if I go on holiday, just need 1 cable to charge both devices. So good idea, and they're fairly cheap actually. So $6.99 I think it was for 4 when they were on offer. I got them for. So yeah, if you're like me and you've got 2 different devices which need 2 different cables, this solves the problem.